We are on to embark faith believing to the San Blas Islands on the coast of, on the Caribbean side of Panama, where there's about 50 habited islands and about more than about 300 other inhabited islands. Of the 50, there are 28 Baptist churches, and we will be visiting come this Sunday, the 6th of October. We will be visiting 3 of these islands and to see what the need is on many of these islands. We will take mainly a logistic view of the needs that are needed in these 3 churches this coming weekend. So we ask for your prayers so that the Lord will open the doors and establish give us some view of the need that is needed there on the churches in San Blas. There is a lot of need among the pastors. They have been left on their own to take care of their own pastor, which is in a way the culture does not give them that help in their own individual churches. They do their own fishing and planting in the mountains, and that is about all they get. So there's a lot of need, spiritual need also. Since each island is about half an hour to an hour apart, there's no getting together with other Christians to uplift their spiritual needs. There's none of that. So we're going to go out. I'm going to go out with 3 of my children and my wife, and to see the needs that are needed there on the islands in San Blas. The churches are there. There's need for financial help also, and also, of course, a really evangelistic spiritual uplifting on each of these islands. So there is also a need for groups that can come out there and take a week off and spend some time and evangelize the people on these individual islands. So I'm an interpreter. I can interpret it from English to the Indian Kuna language and vice versa. So there is no problem in interpreting for the groups that come out there. So that the request is that a prayer be given to the Lord, and to see that continue His name, uplifting the Lord's name, and of course give them a spiritual uplifting in their individual lives as they work, as the pastors work diligently on their own and doing the Lord's work on each of the churches. So keep us in prayer as we go out on we'll be going out on the 5th of October, going out to see the churches on Sunday of the 6th, and also probably Monday, and come back on Tuesday of that week. So keep us in prayer for this work, with logistic work that we will going to be looking out as we go out. And so we will be sending out pictures also, photos, as much as we can. There is an inauguration of the church that has been built on the first island that was brought the word out, the Lord's work by my parents. So there's new church has been built and will be inaugurated in December. So that also that the Lord will bring about a closeness and a knowledge of the Lord Jesus Christ in their lives and the lives of the people out there. So keep us in prayer. Thank you. We'll be hearing from you.